Good morning, children. So today we will learn about the functions of the skeletal system. Okay, functions of skeletal system. In functions of the skeletal system, children, there first one what it gives gives the shape, right? It gives the shape to the body, right? And a support. Then second one shape and here shape and support. Then second one what it is it protect, okay, protection. It protect the internal organs like heart, lungs. These are the very important organs, delicate organs, brain also. They all are, that means it gives the protection, right? And in the third one actually it what we can say this produce the blood cells, okay, produce blood, we can say blood or we can say blood cells, because see blood cells actually it is producing in the bone marrow, okay, what where in the bone marrow. What is bone marrow? Bone marrow, they are actually the soft tissues, okay, soft tissues present in the tissues only, okay, tissues present in the hollow bones, okay, present in the filled in the hollow bones, means our bones actually some of the bones are simply hollow only, so that bones don't not having any other things inside, fluid it is will not be there. So in such bones this bone marrow present, that one fluid separate soft tissue is present, that is known as the bone marrow. There only the blood cells produce, okay, understood? This it is the what functions of the skeletal system. Then another one movement, okay, movement also it gives. So understood the functions of the skeletal system. Now I will explain about the joints. What? Joints. What is meant by joints? Joints means connection. That means one bone joined with the another bone. Okay. That means there is a place where there is two bones meet together. That particular place is known as joint. Okay. It's a place where two bones meet. Okay. Two bones meet. That place is known as joint. If you are saying about the wall, if this is the wall, right, and here it is the second wall, right, and if these two are joining this place, so this is what it is, a joint. Okay, understood? The same way, if two bones meet together, in that place is known as joint. Now you see what are the different types of joint. Okay, types of joint. Types of joint. See what are there are actually four types. Okay, first type if you are saying, that is a hinge one. Okay, hinge joint. What it is? Hinge joint. Hinge joint means it looks like the hinges of the door. That hinges are there now. You have to, when you are lock the door up and down, you will put that one, right? Then it will, when you want to close, it will keep it up. When you want to open, then you put it, bringing it down. That is known, that joint is known as hinge joint. It means it gives only one direction. Okay, some of our old houses, even this nowadays also, some are having the door having this kind of this way. Okay, that means this way also they have the hinge. Okay, that time what happened, they will pull, then one this also there handle that will hold it and bringing left and right. That is also be a hinge only. Okay. So it means that is also giving one direction, either in the left and backward, forward and backward. But if it is on the upward and direction, then here there is we will push this one, right? So that means up and down. Only one direction this hinge joint gives. For example, we can, if we are saying about which example you can give. Which example? Knee joint. You are having knees on your legs, right? Upper elbow joint here, upper arm and the lower arm, both of them are joining here. So this is the elbow joint. How it moves? It moves forward and backward, right? Forward, backward, this way only. That means we cannot bring in another way, right? So forward and backward direction, that is the elbow joint. And vertebrae also you are bending, right? Bending up and down. So that is also in between the vertebrae. There also which joint? Hinge joint. Okay. And now the second one, it is ball and socket. Which one? Ball and socket. Okay. So here in the ball and socket, see children, in the word itself, see, that means one bonds. This is the one bond. Okay. This bonds, this is the cup shaped, right? Cup shape, right? That means here it is like this. So this one bond and another bonds, this one. See, this is another bond. So here it is like the ball. This is what? The ball. It means this one bond, ball of the one bond fit in with the cup shape of the another bond. So this is, that means like the ball and socket. When you are putting the ball into the socket, that time it goes inside, right? So that in the same way here, that joint is known as ball and socket joint. Understood how these two bonds are joining? And this is actually, it allows all direction. You can rotate your hands also, because this is present here, right? So this bone cup shaped here, and it joined here at the back one, that cup shaped, and here the ball one. So you can rotate also in all direction. It means this ball and socket joint gives maximum movement. Okay. So here where it is present, example where you can see shoulder you can see, as well as you can see it on the hip. Okay, where your leg joined with the waist. Okay, hip, that is the hip joint. Okay, and next one is third one, that is the pivot joint. What it is? Pivot means, see our skull, right? Our skull, and that skull is here joining here, back side. Okay, skulls, it is like this. Here you can see the neck joining. Okay, the neck joined here. So it is the backbone, right? Spinal cord is there, backbone, this is the vertebral column, right? So here it is joining with the head, neck. That is the neck joint. Okay, that is the neck joint. That only pivot. It actually, like, see, it rotate like this. It means only this portion will rotate like this, that portion. So we can also move like this, right? Head moving like this. So this joint is known as pivot joint. Okay. Now the next one, it is the fourth one. Fourth one is the gliding joint. Which one? Gliding. Gliding means slippery. Okay. See, you can see in the wrist itself. Okay. If the wrist, when our wrist join, the bonds coming from the lower arm. Okay. From the lower arm, it comes like this. Two bonds are there from the lower arm, right? Then it joins here, right? Here what it is there? Our wrist. Okay, it is the lower arm. This is the here the joint, and here you can see the our fingers. Okay, fingers. That means it is also in different joints only. So our fingers here. That means this is the this place. This place, it is what? It is the wrist joint. Okay, wrist joint. That is the gliding joint. It means, see, you can move in slightly rotate. You can do it. Okay, slight movement only it gives, and then it moves in this way, right? So this joint is known as the which joint? Gliding joint. Okay, understood? All the 4 types of joints. The hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. So understood, children? Now these joints actually one joint is connected with the another joint. For example, I will show here. See, this is attached by, see, when we are joining the wall, what we will do? One wall, the corner, and then the next wall. Both of them are joining with what? Cement, right? Bricks and cement. The same way here, this joint and this joint, this bone and this bone, both of them are joining here, but that is joined by what? Joined by a tissue. That is known as ligament. What it is? Ligament. Simply we cannot keep the bones like this. It should be fit there. So with this one, that is the ligament. That ligament means these are the hard tissues, okay, present in between the joints. Okay, children, today up to here only. Tomorrow I will explain about the muscles. Okay, so thank you, children. Have a nice day.